Let's talk about apprenticeships. Apprenticeships are a great way to gain valuable new knowledge, skills and behaviours which can help you excel in a new role. They can help build careers for, well, just about anyone. At Skills Edge Training, we have years of experience in training the next generation of leaders and professionals in financial services and insurance. We have kickstarted hundreds of careers in financial advice, paraplanning, broking, claims, underwriting, administration, and leadership and management. As an apprentice, your training is funded by the employer and/or the government. You will be paid a salary whilst you train towards your new role. You can be a new hire or an existing employee to access these opportunities. Our training is delivered remotely to your workspace during the working week. Our sector expert model ensures you are supported by industry experts through live sessions, workshops and forums. Many of our apprenticeships include leading industry qualifications, enhancing your career and promotional prospects. We look forward to working with you.